Previously on Brady Beverly Animates. AJ, I swear to God, if you make me review the third one, I'm going to get.
Can't I want a pee-pee?
It's funny because it's I Want a Pee-Pee. So, a couple months ago, I reviewed Fred 2, an absolutely garbage sequel to an absolutely garbage movie. However, of course, there is still one more movie within the Fred franchise that I have yet to talk about, and that would be Fred 3, Camp Fred. Did the Fred creators put their best efforts into their final movie and made an actually decent product to go out with a bang? No, they didn't. In fact, I'd argue that it's the worst one of them all by far. But how is it so? Let's find out. So, remember how I said in the last video how the last thing Fred needed was a musical number? Well, the movie starts with a musical number. It's not very good.
Today is my favorite day. I do hope it's not cliche. It's exactly as I say. To believe me, then just look.
The singing is bad, the lyrics are bad, Fred can barely do the Fred voice anymore, and that's really apparent throughout this movie, but especially in the song.
Today, I love this day, cause today is the last day.
Fred also crushes a meatloaf. For some reason. Also, one actually kind of massive flaw with the movie is that all the characters are way too old now. Just look at Kevin. He does not look like he fits in with the other high schoolers. He looks like after he's done filming, he has to work his trucking job to feed his two kids. And Fred's age shows throughout the entire movie. Just listen to him trying to do the Fred scream now compared to the first movie. Anyways, so Fred's walking home with Bertha, where this happens.
Oh, Bertha, what was that for? You're thinking about that stupid summer camp, aren't you? I was thinking about Camp Superior.
So, Fred wants to go to camp for the summer, specifically Camp Superior, which was voted #1 summer camp by Summer Camp Magazine, which we all know is a very real magazine, so it has to be legit.
Did you know Camp summer camp the entire country by Summer Camp Magazine?
So then he spends way too long packing. Is it funny that you have way too much stuff when you bring to summer camp? So Fred's halfway to go to Camp Superior. What? Oh no, Camp Superior is too expensive. And Fred's mom before.
How about pit balls?
No, you see, some of the actors are slightly better like you might be able to understand the real funny joke. But I, a foreign like you individual, will explain to you sentence. Camp I like pee-pee. Sounds like camp. I want to pee-pee. Isn't that so funny? Fred's mother's acting is horrendous in this movie, by the way.
I mean, what's the difference? Camp's camp, right?
That's perfect time to explain camp. I want pee-pee. It's so funny Fred does that. Doesn't he work camp? No, what's that? Fred's acting worse sex than us.